What's up, guys? It's been a minute since my last video. A few things have changed. Mostly being we got a new rig. So I still have some more content to edit on the 70 series Land Cruiser. My last trip in it, I have one more trail run that I was gonna edit out and put out there. Probably end up doing that probably after I drop this video. But yep, Cruiser had problems I couldn't fix in a short timeline, which I'm kind of on before I move back to Japan. So sold it and picked up a GX470. And currently we are up in Big Bear, close to White Mountain Trail, actually. But we're gonna be staying the night here. So yeah, we'll go over some stuff on the GX. I've already, I can't leave anything alone, so I've already messed with it here and there. So we'll go over some of the stuff I've done so far and then the future build plans for it. So this is an 05 GX470 Sport package. So it comes with the kind of tinted headlights, the gray interior, those things. Immediate things. When I bought it, it already had a Prinzu roof rack on it, which perfect because that's exactly what I was going to throw on it. Found these Rome 95 liter cases brand new on Facebook Marketplace. Got the set for $600, so you can't beat that. This is actually a fuel canister from what is it, Toyota Overlanders. I was planning on putting it on the 70, never got around to it, but she bolts up just fine to the Prinzu. Also, for wheels, I had these sitting around that I won. Some Vision Ojas, I think that's how you say it, but bronze with black lips. I think they look pretty sick on there. Suspension right now is the factory airbags in the rear, factory suspension. Planning on doing suspension package from Locked Off-Road and hopefully some stuff from Icon Vehicle Dynamics as well. Also, just strap the Max tracks up top, or the Action tracks, sorry. Strap the Action tracks up there. I have some mounts on the way, like legit ones. Just haven't got them yet. And I'm thinking I'm gonna mount them long ways on the Rome cases to free up the space there. We'll see. Let's come around here to the back. Pulled the larger seat, pulled it out. Gonna do similar setup that I did to the 70. I just like that setup so much that, we'll do it again. It's a mess in here right now. But just a mattress, blankets, stuff like that. Surprisingly, this has more, long ways room and headroom than the 70 did, which from the outside you wouldn't think so, but it actually does, which is kind of crazy. More plans for the interior stuff is B3 Customs out of Oceanside. They're building me they sell the rear drawer setup for the third row delete, but he's going to go ahead and do that for me, and then we're going to do a second row delete as well. Permanent, full-time, second row delete, storage box, where I can house my batteries and all that stuff. So that's going to be exciting. Other than that, the plan for this is just lift it about 2.5 to 3 inches and do 33s on it. That's probably where I'll stop. 35s, it's where you run into problems with anything. Same stuff with my Land Cruiser. It would get, transmission didn't like it, always getting hot and stuff, which probably contributed to its ultimate demise. But that's the plans on the GX. Already loving it so far. I've always wanted one of these ever since I've seen Chasing Point's GX, fell in love with them. Now I get to build my own, so stoked.
I am floating out to sea. Time will take it all from me. Don't know where the wind will take me now, but we'll see. But we'll see. I am searching endlessly.
Got these LED strips up here from Hardcore. Got these from GTFO Overland. I guess GTF Overland. Like 70 bucks, but I've used them before. They're pretty bright, tricolor, so I'm using that tonight for our lights. For dinner, I have a salad that I haven't eaten yet, so I'm probably just gonna eat that. Something easy. But we're just gonna relax, and I need to organize back here a little bit better idea of the setup here. So it got pretty cold last night. I wasn't using this. I'm gonna use it tonight. I think this morning when I woke up it was 31. Just a snug pack sleeping bag, but this one is one of the ones that unzips all the way, so I kind of use it like a blanket back here. In this box, I'm just running all my cooking gear. This jerky is amazing if you've never had it. You can get it on Amazon, but it's my favorite. This has just become my kind of camping, cooking case until I get drawers in this thing, which is, like I said earlier, in the works. Just run a little 12-volt fan, and I can pop the window out here, pop it out on this side too. That gets plenty of ventilation through the car at night. Never had any problems with condensation. I have a little Olight lantern that just hooks in to the third row grab handle. Put this little Molly panel on the little utility cubby fire starter pack. Water bottle carrier with some extra Molly pouches here and there. Some knife for splitting wood. And then for the rear door, I kind of have this thing jerry rigged on here for now, just because I can't fit it inside that case and be able to close it. But this is all the camp cooking utensils. Not sure if I'm going to do anything on the rear door because I gotta wait until I get the drawer set up from B3 first to see how much room I'm going to have back here whenever I close the door, if it's going to interfere with the storage of anything. I'm running what are these, Heat Shield? Heatshield.com. Full set of these for every window. So if you're planning on car camping in a GX470, these are clutch. You can get them in different colors. This is a gold color on the outside, so it reflects heat. And I've kind of done a little mod here with, I have two of these. I gotta find the other one. I'm gonna put it on that window. But these just are little bungee pockets that you can kind of rig in there, and it works out really well. Gives you extra storage. So, yeah, that's all that. Fridge up front. Not really much else going on back here. It's pretty crude setup right now. That's the vehicle setup for now. Recently did a new radiator, timing belt, water pump, thermostat, the works on the engine, clean out the intake manifold. But all in all, she's running great. Even with those cases up top, still getting about 18.5 miles per gallon on the freeway. So that's freaking huge compared to the Cruiser. Probably gonna ruin that whenever I lift it and throw 33s on, but we don't do it for that anyhow. Built a little fire pit here, and I'm just gonna chill out here and enjoy the sunset. See you guys later. Regrettably, I left the chainsaw at home for some reason, but we're using the Agawa Bore Reel 21 folding saw. This thing, extremely handy to have. I usually carry it even if I have the chainsaw with me, just because it's so easy to use in case I run out of battery or something with the electric chainsaw. But cuts really quickly. Almost there. Gotta get my calories burnt somehow, I guess. Alright, let's just do the rows. A group of side-by-sides was ripping through the mountains, so I decided to give chase at the drone. It's gonna land on the grass. Officially golden hour, and man, getting spoiled out here with these views. For dinner tonight, I'm cooking up some barbecue chicken, sausage, and potatoes. Probably ought to turn the little fan on here. Some kind of vent. everything. But that's cooking. And staying warm next to the fire. Might be going to bed here shortly. And, be seeing you guys in the morning. Try to wake up and get some sunset action. We'll see. Morning, guys. Just got out of the car, letting it warm up a bit. Stayed warm up all night. Stayed warm all night. A little bit windy this morning. I did get up for I got up for sunrise, but it was extremely unspectacular, so I went back to sleep. And now I'm just having my coffee. I'm gonna chill out, enjoy the view for a little bit more, pack everything up. We're gonna get out of here. Rutted out section here. Gotta hug the edge. A couple of interior mods I've done so far is I added this JW off-road double-decker bracket to the dash here. That lets me mount things like ram balls and stuff, butts. Mounted one of my old phones here, and I just use that for Onyx and Google Maps, stuff like that, and it works great. Well, guys, we are nearing the end of the trail, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. If you like this kind of stuff and you want to stay tuned for the GX build, please like and subscribe, and I'd appreciate it. Comment down below some more stuff you want to see me do, camping wise or GX wise, or maybe go over some of my setups. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.